Hello guys, this is one of the most important questions which is usually asked in the chapter of unit and dimensions in JEE Mains. It has come 4 times in JEE Mains, and the probability of coming of this question again in July attempt of mains is very high. So the question is, find out the unit and dimension of the constants A and B in van der Waals equation. And here the van der Waals equation is given: P plus A upon V square into V minus B equals RT, where P is pressure, V is volume, R is gas constant, and T is temperature. So how to solve this question? It is a very easy question. First we know that P is pressure, so we know that P equals to force upon area, okay, and force equals to ma, mass into acceleration. So what will be the dimensions of force? M L T minus 2. This is the dimensions of force. Now come to here. Pressure equals to force upon area. P equals to M L T minus 2 का power minus 2 upon A. This will be L power 2. Now pressure equals to M L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. This will be the dimensions of pressure. Now in this question, and also we know that the volume dimensions of volume equals to L cube. Okay, now come to here. Here van der Waals equation is given: P plus A upon V square into V minus B equals to RT. Now we have to do one thing here. डायमेंशंस ऑफ P, यहाँ पर डायमेंशंस P का क्या होगा? डायमेंशंस ऑफ P विल बी इक्वल टू डायमेंशंस ऑफ A अपॉन V स्क्वायर. वी हैव टू राइट हियर डायमेंशंस ऑफ P means of pressure equals to dimensions of A upon V square. Similarly, dimension of V will be equal to dimension of B. Here we do not have to put the negative sign because we are taking out the dimensions, and here a sign will not play any role. So dimensions of V equals to dimensions of B. Now for first, see here, dimensions of P, we can write dimensions of A equals to PV square. Here we will get multiplied to the pressure V square, sorry. Then dimensions of A equals to PV square. Now we will put the dimensions which we have found it earlier only. M1 for pressure, I am writing for pressure M1 L minus 1 T power minus 2 L cube square. Then if we solve here, M1 will be there only. L, here it is 6, L ka power 6, and here it is minus 1, so L ka power 5, T power minus 2, here T is absent, so T power minus 2. Okay, this will be T power minus 2. Now unit of A equals to unit of P. Unit of A equals to unit of P into unit of V square. Okay, so here P will be, so sorry, unit of A will be Newton per meter square. This is for pressure into m ka power 6, because volume, for volume we use meter cube, and in the question it is given m square, so m6, it will be m ka power 4, means Newton meter power 4. All right, this is for P. Now come to B. For B I am adjusting here only, sorry, because space is limited. Here B, dimensions of B equals to V. Here it is I have written only dimensions of V equals to dimensions of B. So dimensions of B equals to V means of L cube, means of meter cube. So by this whole we have to find the dimensions, the constant dimensions of constants A and B. A we have found here, A we have found here, and it comes Newton meter ka power 4, and here it is L dimensions power 3, and here comes meter cube. Thank you guys, this is the most important question I am telling you. The probability of coming this question in JEE Mains for the second attempt of 2020 is almost you can take 97 to 98%. It is the most important question. It has come 4 times earlier. So best of luck guys for your coming exams. Cheers.